The American Truck Graphics lower tailgate panel decal in black is for any 2015 to 17 F150 owner who wants to accent the lower portion of their truck's sculpted tailgate. Fit to match your truck's body line, the decal will add more depth and contrast that you're looking for. Speaking of that tailgate, if the paint is starting to pick up scuffs and scratches, this decal is a great and an affordable cover-up option compared to a full respray. This is a peel and stick application. I'll be giving this decal a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, with an install time of about 30 minutes. American Truck Graphics uses high-quality 4mm vinyl for these graphic decals, which is about double the thickness of some of the other cheaper brands you might find elsewhere. The decal has been clear coated for additional protection. They are expected to last at least 8 years outside, and they'll hold up well to rain and snow. These decals aren't just for a show truck. They'll look good after off-road abuse. They've also been designed to be cleaned just like the rest of your truck's paint, so you don't have to worry about these peeling off during a weekend wash. I've seen customers in our comments section saying people have been asking if they've purchased a special edition F150 because of these decals. So these are a cool and simple way to make your truck stand out from all the others. These decals are made in-house at American Truck Graphics. This allows us to measure and test fit these decals to our own trucks to make sure they'll fit your truck's lines perfectly. To make install as easy as possible, American Trucks builds air release technology into the vinyl. This means you'll be able to easily squeegee out any bubbles that form underneath the vinyl for a wrinkle-free finish. The lower tailgate decal is going to run you just under $20, which I think is a fair price. This is an affordable way to change the look of your tailgate without investing in any actual parts, especially when you compare this to a painted-on accent or decal from the factory. This is also a good price if you compare this to a respray or buffing out of scratches that can cost you a few $100 at least. Switching gears to the install. This is a peel and stick application, so I'll be giving it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expected to take you about 30 minutes to complete. The only tools you'll need are a mixture of soap and water and a squeegee. First, you're going to clean the application area of dirt, dust, and oil. Now wet the back of the vinyl with the same water mixture and apply it to the truck, making sure it's lined up correctly. Then while it's drying, use your squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles that may appear. Let it fully dry and you're ready to go. That's my review and install on American Truck Graphics black lower tailgate panel accent decal. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.